Hi car lovers family, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to tell you that how can you buy a yacht or boat. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and click on the bell icon. Buying a yacht, compared to purchasing a car, involves greater complexity, cost, and ongoing responsibilities. While both are significant investments, the processes and considerations for each are vastly different. Cars are more affordable and accessible, with prices ranging from a few thousand to over $100,000. Financing a car is straightforward, often handled through dealerships or banks. Yachts are far more expensive, starting around $500,000 for smaller models and climbing into the millions for luxury super yachts. Yacht financing requires larger down payments 2050 and involves specialized marine lenders with longer loan terms up to 20 years, often at higher interest rates. In summary, buying a yacht is a far more involved and expensive process compared to buying a car, requiring careful consideration of costs, maintenance, and logistics. While cars serve practical purposes, yachts are more about luxury and lifestyle. Yachts are typically parked or docked at marinas, which are designated harbor spaces with mooring facilities. Larger yachts may require specialized marinas or docking services. In contrast, cars are parked in garages, driveways, or public parking lots, which are far more accessible and cost significantly less than yacht docking fees. Yacht parking involves additional fees for storage, maintenance, and sometimes staff, whereas car parking is generally simple and inexpensive unless in urban or premium locations. Yachts are maintained at shipyards or marinas with specialized marine services. These facilities handle repairs, cleaning, painting, and mechanical work, similar to a car's garage but on a larger and more complex scale. Some yacht owners also hire a crew or maintenance staff for regular upkeep.